Indian Army aro Assam Rifles laga recruitment rallies ahi taka nimite Mokokchung Battalion Assam Rifles pra pre-recruitment training ayojan kurise Mokokchung district laga Tuli town te sandete pre-recruitment training raka laga asol maksad to jawan chokra chokri khan ke nokri laga moka dibole aro youth khan ke ahi taka Indian Army aro Assam Rifles laga recruitment rallies karone tayar kuriwa nimite ase sob milai kena Mokokchung district pra 53 chokra aro 2ta chokri training hissa loise training te online registration desk kam documentation check facility bi rakhishe aro youth khan pra bhal response dishe Assam Rifles training aro Tradesman rally karone 240 candidates register kurikina ase aro Indian Army Agnipath Scheme karone 260 candidates register kurikina ase aji takte training te Agnipath Scheme laga jankari thaka pamphlets khan bi bag kurise Mokokchung Battalion laga Tuli company khan 35 candidates karone pura training shuru kurikina Tuli ase July 25 pra Assam Rifles laga bhal kam to youth aro town manu khan pra khushi janaise
Motion, top JEE and NEET Coaching Institute of Kota is now in Dimapur. Faculties study materials and test series from Kota directly. Now students from Nagaland can raise their preparation level right here in Dimapur. Admissions open now.